O, sige, abutin mo. O. Abutin mo, kaya sabi mo, magja-jump ka.
Yan o, yan o.
Jump.
Jump. Oh, yan.
Ay, ang lapit. And daya ni Eric. Oh. Wow, what did you get? What did you get, Eric? What's that?
Pula.
Pulang what?
Uy, ba't mo tinapon? This is pula.
Is yan pula? Okay, kuha ka pa isa, dali.
Pag pula.
Dali, kuha ka pa na isa. Come on, I'll show you. Which one?
I'll jump. Okay, look at.
Oh, dali. Jump, kuha ka na isa pa, dali. Ready? Eto, yan, dyan.
Ito, Eric, ito.
Ay, eto.
Tapos ka na. Ready?
Uy, sige yan, malapit na. Dali.
No, you have to jump. You have to
I
jump.
need to put this down.
Hindi na, it's okay. Already? Okay.
Go. Ay, malapit na. Put the leaf down. Put the leaf down, anak. Put the leaf down.
Ready?
Okay? Ready?
Ah.
Is this?
Okay, no, this one. This one, oh. Turo mo nga, kuya, ko asan.
Ayan, ito.
Ayan, ayun.
Ito.
Ayun. Oh. Ayan, ready?
1, 2, jump.
Ay, ang galing. Ang galing, oh. Ang galing. Ay, oh, pitas ni Eric. Bravo. Ha? Where's your bag? Is that your bag?
No, put it in your dede, dalawa like this.
Oo, yan, ganyan. Ay, para they won't see it. Ano, anak, dali. Huwag ganyan sa...
Like this.
O, sige, o, dali.
Everyone do it.
Mm.
O, tapos lagay mo sa daddy mo.
I don't know.
O, tapos lagay mo sa daddy mo, Eric.
Ito.
No, see, it can fall down. Look. After look. After.
Yeah.
After.
O, they won't see it, Eric.
Take off your hands.
O.
You have
You
dede.
can put it in my bag.
Okay.
Put it in my
Huwag ka
bag.
maingay. Bawal yan. Halika na.
Okay. O, say bye. Sabi mo, bye, apple picking. Dali.
Oh, yung jacket.
Sabi mo, dali, wave ka muna. Wave ka muna, say bye.
Pick more.
O, sige, sabi
Wala ka
mo na,
na
wave.
yan.
I want to pick more.
O, sayo ka muna. Sayo ka muna. Don't take my heart.
Ano yung nasa book mo? Green.